the question here is asking us that to determine the force in each supporting cable. So we have cable AC, AB, and AD. We have this crate in here. The weight of this crate, or the force applied, is 550 Newton. So as usual, what we're going to do first, it's the sign convention. So we will start with our sign convention. So sign convention. We take this direction to be positive for X and Y axis, and if we have a moment, will be anti-clockwise positive. After our sign convention, then we start with free body diagram. And the free body diagram, since point A is in equilibrium, so point A will be at the origin of our axis. Downwards here we have D, which is 550 Newton, and we have force or tension in this cable in here, which being given 3, 4, 5 similar or special triangle, and we also being given AB in this direction at 30 degrees from the negative X axis. So equations of equilibrium. So applying these equations of equilibrium, sum of the forces on the X axis should equal to 0. For the first one in here, we have for our X axis 4 over 5 F, this is AC, and this one here B, so FAC. And on the negative X axis we have FAB cos 30 minus FAB cos 30. Downwards we don't have anything on the X axis, that all should equal to 0. 4 over 5, it's 0.8 FAC minus cos 30, which is 0.866 cos, FAB, that all should equal to 0. Solving for FAC should equal 0.866 FAC equal to 0.866 divided by 0.8 FAB. Therefore FAC equal to 1.08 FAB. Number this equation as equation number 1. Now we can sum all of the forces on the Y directions. They should equal to 0. For the first force applied in here, the Y direction will be 3 over 5. We have 3 over 5 FAC plus for this one here, for the force AB, or for the code AB in here, will be FAB sine 30 degrees. Downwards we have 500 negative minus 550 Newton. All they should equal to 0. Solving for this one will be 0.6 FAC plus sine 30, that will be 0.5 FAB equal to 550 Newton. So right now number this equation here as number 2. Now sub 1 into 2, substitute 1 into 2. Now taking FAC, which is this one here, 1.08 FAB, so we have 0.6 FAC, which is 1.08 FAB, plus 0.5 FAB equal to 550 Newton. These two here should equal to 0.648 FAB plus that's 0.5 FAB, which equal to 550 Newton. Add these two together, this one should be 1.148 FAB equal to 550 Newton. Solve for FAB equal to 550 divided by the 1.14, 550 Newton divided by 1.14, FAB equal to, in this case, 479 Newton. Let's number this as number 3. Sub 3 into 1, substitute 3 into 1. FAC, which is first equation in there, FAC equal to 1.08 FAB, and FAB is 479 Newton. FAC should equal to 517 Newton. Again, this is how you show your work step by step, and we'll see you in the next video for more questions on equilibrium.